All right, picture this. You're trying to build your financial future. You've got your investments, maybe a little crypto, and you're even dabbling in those trendy fractional shares. But where are you parking your cash? The stuff you need for emergencies, for that down payment, or just to keep your financial boat afloat? You've heard whispers about M1 Finance, that sleek platform that promises to do it all. But here's the burning question, the one that's probably got you clicking on this video. Does M1 actually have a savings account? Think about it. We're bombarded with financial apps and platforms, each claiming to be the one-stop shop for all your money needs. You've got the traditional banks with their endless fees and snail-paced processes. Then there are the fintech disruptors, offering everything from high-yield savings to complex options trading. It's a financial jumble out there. And in this jumble, M1 has carved out a unique space. They've marketed themselves as a platform that seamlessly blends investing and banking. But does this blend include a traditional savings account, or are we talking about something else entirely? Let's rewind a bit. M1 Finance burst onto the scene with its PI investing strategy. It allows you to build a portfolio of stocks and ETFs, allocate percentages to each, and then automate your investments. It's like creating a personalized, automated investment fund. Pretty cool, right? But the real game changer was their introduction of M1 Spend, which they positioned as their banking solution. This is where things get interesting, and where the confusion often arises. Now, when we say savings account, what are we really talking about? We're usually thinking of a safe place to store our money, a place that earns some interest, and a place where we can easily access our funds. We envision a separate account, distinct from our checking or brokerage accounts. But M1 Spend doesn't quite fit that traditional mold. Instead of a standalone savings account, M1 Spend offers a checking account with a few unique features. One of the most prominent is the integration with M1 Borrow and M1 Invest. This integration allows for seamless transfers between your checking, investment, and borrowing accounts. It's a holistic approach, designed to keep your money working within the M1 ecosystem. So, here's the crux of the matter. M1 doesn't offer a traditional, standalone savings account in the way most people understand it. What they do offer is a checking account with a high degree of integration and flexibility. Think of it as a central hub for your financial activity within the M1 platform. But does this mean you can't save money with M1? Absolutely not. The key is understanding how M1 structures its offerings. First, let's talk about the APY, or annual percentage yield. M1 Spend offers a competitive APY, which is often higher than what you'd find at a traditional brick-and-mortar bank. This means your cash held in your M1 Spend checking account is earning interest, similar to a savings account. However, it's crucial to remember that APYs can fluctuate, so it's always worth checking the latest rates. Second, M1 Plus, their premium subscription service, unlocks even more benefits. M1 Plus users get access to higher APYs, additional perks like cashback on debit card purchases, and even more advanced features within the M1 ecosystem. This premium tier effectively enhances the functionality of M1 Spend, making it an even more attractive option for those looking to maximize their returns. Third, the integration with M1 Invest allows you to automate your savings in a roundabout way. You can set up recurring transfers from your M1 Spend account to your investment pies. This allows you to automatically invest a portion of your income, effectively saving it in the form of investments. While it's not a traditional savings account, it's a powerful way to build wealth over time. Fourth, consider the M1 Borrow feature. This allows you to borrow against your investment portfolio at competitive rates. While borrowing isn't saving, it provides financial flexibility and can be a valuable tool for managing cash flow. For example, instead of selling your investments to cover an unexpected expense, you could borrow against them, preserving your long-term investment strategy. Now, let's address some common concerns. Some might argue that a checking account isn't a suitable replacement for a dedicated savings account. They might worry about the accessibility of their funds or the potential for overspending. However, M1 Spend offers features designed to mitigate these concerns. For instance, you can set up multiple pies within your M1 Invest account, effectively creating separate savings buckets for different goals. You could have a pie for your emergency fund, another for a down payment, and another for retirement. This allows you to allocate your funds strategically and track your progress towards each goal. Furthermore, M1's platform is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. You can easily monitor your spending, track your investments, and manage your transfers all from a single app. This level of integration and transparency can actually help you stay more disciplined with your finances. Another point to consider is the security of your funds. M1 Finance is a member of SIPC, which protects your securities up to $500,000, including $250,000 for cash claims. Additionally, funds held in M1 Spend are FDIC insured up to $250,000 through Lincoln Savings Bank, member FDIC. This provides a level of security that's comparable to a traditional bank. So, to circle back to our original question, does M1 have a savings account? The answer is nuanced. They don't offer a traditional, standalone savings account. Instead, they provide a highly integrated checking account, M1 Spend, that offers competitive APYs and seamless integration with their investment and borrowing features. This approach might not be for everyone. If you're looking for a simple, no-frills savings account, you might be better off with a traditional bank or a dedicated high-yield savings account provider. However, if you're looking for a holistic financial platform that allows you to manage your banking, investing, and borrowing in one place, M1 Finance is definitely worth considering. Think of M1 Spend as a modern, tech-forward take on banking. It's designed for those who want to take a more active role in managing their finances and who appreciate the convenience of a fully integrated platform. It's not just about saving money, it's about optimizing your entire financial picture. In essence, M1's approach is about blurring the lines between traditional financial products. They're creating a financial ecosystem where your money is constantly working for you, whether it's earning interest, being invested, or being used to fund your goals. The financial landscape is constantly evolving. Fintech companies like M1 are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, challenging the traditional banking model and offering innovative solutions for managing our money. Whether M1's approach is right for you depends on your individual needs and financial goals. Ultimately, the best way to determine if M1 Spend is right for you is to do your own research, compare it with other options, and consider your personal financial situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.